Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Minecraft. And today, hold on guys. And today we are doing our third video on Minecraft. Not our third video, but our third video on Minecraft. So, guys, I need to eat. I'm so hungry. Yummy carrots. Obviously, I hate carrots, guys. Comment down below if you hate carrots. Ooh, what's this place? Ooh, secret tunnel. I forgot I built a secret tunnel up here. There's still lava? How long has the lava been here? I gotta rebuild this place, guys. You know what, guys? Let's rebuild this place. We're gonna go mine. Mine. Ooh, give me all this. Alright, guys, so I'm just mining. So, alright, guys, getting all that, getting all this, getting all this, getting all this, getting all this, this. Okay, so we're done with that. Oh, goodness. So I'm gonna mark like my place here. So this is where I'm gonna go mine all the time. I'm gonna go mine here. I'm gonna make it like one of those old mining systems that they have. It's kind of like an old shack kind of like thing. And what you want to do is like, I mean, this is gonna be like a little mine shack, guys. So yeah. It's weird how pickaxe cannot mine very well with like wood. I mean, oh crap! I forgot I gotta rebuild this. So yeah, guys. So we're gonna have to rebuild this whole entire place again. Cause they want me to. They're like, hammer. You need to rebuild this place. Blah blah blah. I'm like, fine. It's like, my goodness. This place is gonna get on fire again. That's a lot of cobblestone, guys. A whole lot. I got too much in my inventory. Alright, guys, so yeah. I know we gotta rebuild this whole entire place. Apparently, they want me to. Oh, guys, this is so terrible. I have to do the whole thing all over again. My goodness. Why can't we just normally do this? What the world? I'm gonna upgrade it a little bit. So this is gonna be there. And then finally the wood pieces will go here. Okay, so I mean it's a good start, but I don't remember these pieces being here. I seriously don't remember these being here. I mean, guys, ignore that. It's just a dog here. I mean, man. Actually, yeah, that looks better. That looks good here, guys. I don't know why I ooh. So yeah, guys. And there's a freaking hole in the wall. Dang it. Okay, there. So, oh my gosh, this looks so bad. Yee. Guys, I forgot how they built this. I don't know. Villages have been around so much. When I first saw a village, I thought someone else wrote that. Hey guys, I'll be right back. Please do not hate. Sorry guys, I'm back. I just had to do it because it will take too long. That's my mom to do the video. So please don't hate like and subscribe. Why haven't I seen? I still have 2 subscribers. What the heck, guys? I'm hoping for more, guys. Come on. Come on. Literally 2 subs. What the heck, guys? Come on, I know y'all can do better. I know y'all can. I know y'all can do better. I mean, it's obviously gonna be easy. So, why don't you do it? This takes forever to like build. I know that. I mean, like. Now, what's up with these 2 flowers, guys? Seriously, don't know. Maybe at my house. Guys, I literally just placed these flowers. I thought I already placed them. Well, guys, I need to fill in my floor, so let's get my shovel. And yeah, guys, so yeah. So I'm gonna be digging. Alright, guys, let's dig. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna with a nice wet floor. Oh yeah, oh yeah. There we go. That's beautiful, guys. Ooh. So yeah, guys. So yeah, I need a path. I need like my own little path to the other villagers' place. I know. I have to do this. Yes. No. Yes. Yay! I'm part of the village. Woohoo! There we go. That's good, guys. This tree is in my way. Even though I have to chop wood. Oh, my stone axe, guys. Oh no. Well, gonna have to craft me a new one. There, stone axe. Ooh, I really don't need all this stuff. So yeah, I need. What else can I make? Seriously don't know. Oh, ooh, yeah, it's gonna be awesome. 6 of these, and ooh, I need one of these. I seriously need one of these. Mega bad. I'm gonna shovel. Dude, my storage is out. I can't literally buy anything right now. God damn it! Alright, guys, so let's be beast mode. Alright, guys, so we're gonna build like a little barrier. Like, literally right here. It's not enough. Ugh. So, yeah. So, we got this part done. I mean, we're getting there. We're getting there. So yeah, guys. So today we're gonna finish mostly our whole house. This way, no mobs can get us. Like, look, you can't even jump over this. See, that's gonna be a great success. Some of this stuff I don't even need. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna throw this in the trash pile. I freaking don't need this many doors. I don't need that many doors, guys. I mean, come on. Oof. Guys, look. Guys, look at me. I'm on an iPad. See? Guys, how do y'all think that I'm on an iPad? Oh my goodness, I'm on a computer. Oh my gosh. If I have evidence that I'm on a computer, listen to this. Clicky mouse and this. Clicky keyboard. Oh goodness, I accidentally said something in the chat. Nope, guys, it randomly says random words. Obviously. Duh. So yeah, guys, so I can only get this far. I'm really sorry. I still can't get me a bed, which is kind of a pain in the booty. In the booty. So yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And I still haven't seen that many subscribers, so please do. So, please. Please. Why haven't y'all subscribed? What the heck? I mean, I see views and my videos are like beast, and y'all haven't subscribed. Come on, I just want to hear someone just say, oh, I feel bad for this guy. He only has 2 subscribers. I mean, just so subscribe to him. Do that. Because y'all need to do that. Because I'm getting mad. Yeah, so, I'll see y'all next time, okay? Bye!